The creation of this thing was a miracle. At that time, the Americans could not figure out what kind of black technology the Soviet Union had used to make an airplane fly at an altitude of more than 30,000 meters and a speed of more than Mach 3. This was the MiG-25, known as the stainless steel fighter. At the same time, the MiG-25 is a perfect example of what it means to make a miracle happen. The reason why the Soviet Union was able to develop such a stainless steel monster as the MiG-25 was because the American SR-71 Blackbird reconnaissance plane was always flying over the Soviet Union. But due to the backwardness of technology, the Soviet Union couldn't do anything about the American Blackbird. Since the USSR could not produce any evidence of actual Blackbird reconnaissance, they did not even have a chance to condemn it in society. The USSR was in a dilemma. To solve this problem, the Mikoyan Design Bureau launched the MiG-25, a high-speed interceptor, but due to limited material technology. If we use ordinary aluminum alloy as the fuselage material, it can't support the MiG-25's speed of Mach 3 at high altitude. But the Soviet Union did not have the lightweight and strong titanium alloy. Mikoyan thought about it for several nights. He finally decided to use stainless steel for the fuselage, but this created another problem. The density of stainless steel was so high that the MiG-25 weighed 15 tons. It was not difficult for Mikoyan to get a 15-ton iron block into the air at a speed of more than Mach 3. Their solution was simple: widen the wings and increase the thrust of the engines. If one engine didn't work, then two. It's all about power. As for fuel consumption, that's not even a consideration. So the designers installed two R-15B300 turbojet engines in the MiG-25. Each engine has a maximum thrust of 110 kN. And this is a bunch of stainless steel and two large thrust engines built up a warplane so fast that even the United States Rattlesnake missiles cannot see the taillights of the MiG-25. The MiG-25 made the Americans shiver and whetted their appetites at the same time. Until September 1976, when Soviet pilot Zelenko defected from Japan to the West in a MiG-25. It was only then that the Americans were able to unveil the mystery of the MiG-25. The MiG-25 didn't have any of the black technology or advanced avionics that the Americans thought it had. The Renegade fighter still uses an outdated diode radar. It was nothing. Even so, the MiG-25 still holds a number of world records in the field of warplanes. After all these years, the records remain unbroken.